Hey everyone, so welcome back to my channel. I know, long time no see. It's been a little busy. March is seriously my busiest month at work, and I've just had no time. You know, I've still been doing my spreads and my planner, I just haven't been filming them, so I'll show you guys what's been going on in March and all the kits that I used, and then we will get into today's plan with me. So let's first start with March. So this is what my monthly looked like. This kit was from Planning Roses, and I thought it was really pretty and fun. I'm still waiting on my April monthly to come in, so maybe I'll do a plan with me when that comes in, but it probably won't be for another week or so. I just waited way too long to order it, and clearly I didn't really fill out much over here, so don't mind that. But then moving on to my first week, this kit, I want to say, was it from Glam Planner? I think it was one of her kits. I could be wrong. Actually, I do think I'm wrong. I can't remember who did this kit. I'll have to look and see, and I'll put it in the description. But I really liked how it was kind of black and white and gray, but it's not too dark. It's still very light, so I really like this one. This kit was from Glam Planner, for sure, 100%. Just something kind of light and whimsical, and still kind of wintry, so I thought it was really cute. Then we had this kit, which was from Murdoch Talks. Clearly, I got too busy over here and just didn't do anything, but it's really cute, kind of like hip, I think, with the color combination. And then this one, which is from, I can't remember. I can't remember at all, but it was just one of my last like wintry kits that I thought I could get away with in March since it wasn't technically spring yet, and I never filled in my numbers. Whoops. And now we are in April, still waiting on the monthly, so don't mind that. And this was last week's spread. I actually just posted it on my Instagram literally like a minute ago, but this is my Easter spread from Planning Roses again, and I think it turned out so freaking cute. So that's what y'all have missed out on. If you haven't checked out Planning Roses, it's one of my favorite Etsy shops. She does like monthly pre-sales, so she has new kits at the end of every month for pre-sale, and then she gets them out pretty quickly, and I just think her work is really cute. Now let's move on to this week. So the week of April 2nd through the 8th, I'm going to be using this kit from, I think it's from Jackson Pepper or something, the one that likes to do the like the stock photo ones, or maybe it's just Jackson Pep, something like that. Again, I'll link it down below, but it's really pretty, like bright and springy, like stock photo kit, and I've been waiting to use this kit for a while because I've been waiting for spring, and it's officially spring now, so I thought it'd be very appropriate. So we have our full boxes, we have our washi. I also love the paper that she uses because it's matte, but it's like a buttery matte. It's so good. Then some headers and boxes, some date covers, and some icons and stuff, the little full boxes, some little things, habit trackers, ooh, a hydration tracker. I really like that. So let's just get into it. Alright, so I know I definitely want to use this double box, the Hello Beautiful, and I want to do it over the weekend just because that's kind of how I picture the spread, and I want to do it at the bottom. So I'm going to first start with this one, just down here. I'm going to try and line it up as good as I possibly can. Just put that down. Now I think how I want to do everything else is I kind of want to stagger it. I think it'll look really nice with all of the different like textures and images. So maybe I'm overthinking this, probably, but we are going to roll with it. So I'm going to go ahead and put down my date covers just so we can kind of have a stopping point up here. So I'm going to go ahead and do the date covers up top, and hopefully I get them kind of straight. We will see. So anyways, a long time no talk. I feel like we have a lot to catch up on. I am so tired, and I don't know why I'm so tired, because today I even had like a shorter day at work. I was only there for 7.5 hours. I didn't have to go in until later, and today's Easter, so gotta love working on holidays, but you do what you gotta do. And in April, I was thinking that my schedule is gonna get a little bit not less at work, but more like normal, just 8-hour days. And apparently I was wrong. So I don't know like how many more videos I can put out. I was really wanting to be able to put out 4 videos a week on my beauty channel, and then doing some videos over here, you know, plan with me, and maybe, you know, another video here and there on the week. But I don't know how feasible that will be, but I'll give it a shot. I'm definitely going to want to do plan with me's. I feel like that's easy enough because I can just film them at night when I get home from work or before I go into work, depending on the day, and just like get it done. It is a little bit more of a setup. Sometimes, I don't know, I feel like sometimes you just want to do your own thing and just like do your planner and just like take that me time, because it is kind of fun to do your spread for the week and just kind of take like, you know, 30 minutes to yourself. But it's also fun to share with you guys, you know, what my spread looks like, some of my favorite kits, and just like what's going on. So I don't really know what kind of order I want to do these in, so I'm just going to make it up as I go. I'm first going to do my little to-do headers above the Saturday and Sunday, because I know, that's a little crooked, I know that I want to do, because I know I want to do the to-do headers up at the top, or the to-do headers, but the to-do like list up at the top. But everywhere else I'm not so sure, so we will just make it up as we go, and I'm sure it'll look good in the end. Okay, so this is what we are working with as of right now. I'm kind of not a fan of this being like the exact same as that, like side by side, but I'll fill this up with some other things since there's like an open space, so we will make it look a little bit different. But now I'm going to go ahead and move on to my sidebar, and I'm first going to go in with the quote box, which says, "Be happy, be bright, be you," and I think that's a good way to start out the month, you know, because technically it's like the first full week of the month. No, well, I mean, not technically, it is the first full week of the month. So I'm going to try and get this straight, and it's actually not too bad. Go me. And then I'm first going to go in with my little work header. And just put that right underneath. And then go in with the weekly checklist thing. And put that right underneath here. And then this is where I will check my work hours. Now underneath that, I'm going to break it up a little bit with a piece of washi. I'm just going to use this one that kind of looks like this blanket. And then we're going to go in with the hydration tracker, which I'm really excited about. I really like the fact that this kit comes with a full hydration tracker. So it's really clear and it's kind of cute and kind of fun. And now I'll just use another little piece of washi to break that up, and then I'll go in with the habit trackers. I don't know if I'm going to use 1 or 2. We'll see how much room I have. Wouldn't mind using both, but I don't know if there'll be enough room. I think there will be, so we will use both of them. Perfect. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and kind of fill in some space with the washi, because I do want to do more of a no white space thing, so we will do that real quick. Alright, so we got everything filled in. Of course, I didn't realize that I had more solid quarter boxes until literally Sunday. But even with that, I still think it looks nice, and I'm excited to fill her in. So let's get started with some of my little things. Actually, no. You know, that awkward moment when you realize you didn't leave space for any little things. Sad day. Oh well. let's move on to these things. So there is a little beautiful weekend banner that I'm going to put right here at the bottom, and it fits just perfectly in a little open spot, so we'll put that there. And then the kit does come with a planning little icon. It says plan time, so I'm going to put that over here on this little box. Ta-da! Alright, good news. I finally found the flag stickers, and they're all the way up here. And of course I already kind of covered that one, but hey, we can fix it. Am I the only one who always forgets to use or to like properly find the flag covers in these kits? Because I seriously forget every single time. So I always have to go back to Sunday and pull it up and then do this, which, you know, it's not like it's difficult or anything, but still, like, would have looked a little bit nicer if I just did it right the first time. This kit comes with a lazy day and a day off little icon, so I think I'm going to use both of those. So I'm going to use my lazy day for Saturday, because I do technically have Saturday off, and it can potentially be a lazy day. Maybe I'll take like a nap or something, but there's also like some stuff I need to get done. But I think I might take a little chill that day. And then day off, I have Wednesday off. Definitely have things to do on Wednesday, but so I wouldn't call that a lazy day, but I'll just put that right here. There's a cute little Happy Friday little like script piece, so I think I'm going to put that up here, just in the white space up there. I think that looks really cute. And I think that's really everything that I'm going to use from the kit. I might pull some of the flags and stuff once we get more planning going, but now I'm just going to go into my little pocket full of other goodies and start using those. So I do have my little Planning Roses mini icons for my upload schedule, so I'm going to put these down on my to-do list. I like to put them at the bottom, and I'll actually just put them on the very bottom of this one because there's definitely limited space, so I'll just put them down here. So I have my plan with me going up Monday, and then my 3 beauty videos. In case you don't know, I do have a beauty channel here on YouTube. It's just called Bailey Layne, and you should go check it out in case you haven't already checked it out for whatever reason. So I upload Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. It is payday on Friday, so I'm going to take one of these little baby payday stickers. In case you want to know, this is from the Etsy shop Temp Loves Crafts, and they're really, really cute. And I'm just going to take the small one, and I'm just going to put it down at the bottom. I don't feel like it needs to take up too much space. Alright, next I'm going to take some of these foiled icons that are from White Deer Stationery, and I think the colors in this top row would look really, really nice. And so let's see what's going on. So on Wednesday, I definitely need to do some filming, so I'm going to use this little camera icon for that. And I'll just do it with this box up here, and then once I figure out what I'm filming, I'll write that in there. And then I also have a lunch date, so I will go back in with one of my little quarter boxes, and I will just stick that right on in here. A little crooked, but that is okay. And I'm trying to see if there's a good like lunch date icon. So out of all the stickers I have, I don't have a good lunch date icon, so I'm just going to take one of my little bow stickers, and I'm going to take this kind of tannish one, because I feel like it kind of goes with the like little pops of tan in the kit. And I'm just going to pop it over on this side, just like that. I need to go get my nails done on a Saturday, so I'm going to use this little nail polish icon that I got from a little freebie kit. I'm just going to pop that down here. I don't think I really need to write it in, but I really need to get a pedicure and clearly my nails done real bad. Thursday, I need to be sure to take the trash out, so I'll use one of the fancy icons for that. I'll actually just do it over on this side. So that looks nice. I'm trying to think what else I have to do on Thursday. I feel like there's actually something I need to do, and I can't think about it. Or think of it. Excuse me. You know, I think that's really everything I have to do this week. So I guess that's everything for this plan with me as of right now. Again, if you're new to my plan with me's, I don't like to write down like everything on camera because I'll be honest, my handwriting isn't the best and it doesn't look good, and then I feel the pressure to make sure it looks good, and I just don't like that. So if you want to see it kind of filled in with like a midweek spread update and then an end of the week update, check me out on Instagram. You will see that there. But yeah, I think that is it for this week's spread, and it's already 9 o'clock, so it's been a hot second. So we've been working on this for a while. But if you like this, let me know by giving me a thumbs up, and let me know what other videos you want to see on this channel, what other kind of planning, organization related videos you want to see, because I definitely want to put more content out for you guys. I just don't know quite what you want to see. So let me know down below. But I guess that's everything, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!